This is insane. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra cameras are insane. The S22 Ultra was revealed on 9th of Feb and you can pre-order now. There are some regional breakdowns of Galaxy S22 Ultra processor and some camera samples of new Galaxy S22 Ultra. With the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, you can actually magnify it up to 100x zoom. But the most interesting part is its new improved AI magic. Now, it is quite useful when you take a picture at 100x zoom, the AI will sharpen the image and improve its quality, unlike its predecessor, the S21 Ultra. Ice Universe on Twitter shared a video where this test is going on, and these are the initial tests, and we need more time to test this feature in real life. And is it really useful or not? Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, is this 100x zoom is really useful? Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra chipset breakdown by region, where we see Exynos 2200 will be available in Europe and Snapdragon Gen 1 will be available in South Korea, North America, Australia, India, UAE, and South Africa. Also, we got some amazing photo samples of new Galaxy S22 Ultra where we see some amazing night photography as stated by Samsung itself, sharpness in the picture and more saturated, as this is the tradition of Samsung to make a picture more saturated. But with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung made a benchmark set where now every phone manufacturer really look into night photography. Some video portrait mode that we still need to check with the time. It is more of a cinematic mode on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. On Sam Mobile, you can now access the firmware of the all three models, S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. With the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, you will get 4 years of OS update, which is insane. As before, Samsung was not good with updates, but this is a good news for the S22 series user that they can use the phone with at least 4 years of an update. But that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, is this 100x zoom is really useful? I'll see you next time. Till next time, peace out!